Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White and welcome to 413A Mount Albert Road. This 1940s Art Deco home has been lovingly renovated by our current owners and we can't wait to show you through. With classic curb appeal and oodles of period charm waiting inside, this will set a character home lover's heart aflutter. Lofty ceilings, LED-light windows and timber floors have been well cared for throughout. The kitchen and bathroom have both been modernised and 3 double bedrooms offer great accommodation options for couples and families. Wander out through the new French doors to a private deck and the secluded sun-soaked gardens beyond. Safe and secure for pets and little ones, with summer entertaining being an effortless chore out here. The appeal of this wonderfully central address is clear, with all the attractions and amenities of Three Kings, Royal Oak and Onehunga so close to hand. Super convenient for dog walking, as Big King Park is moments away and Cornwall Park a few minutes drive. This home is ready and waiting for new owners, so make sure you put it on your watch list and come along to the open homes on the weekend.